A recent order by the governor of Niger State, Muhammad Bago, to arrest people wearing dreadlocks has caused a lot of uproar, especially from social media influencer and critic, Very Dark Man, also known as VDM. Governor Bago gave the order during the security meeting in Minna, the state capital, saying that anyone with dreadlocks should be arrested and shaved. He said this was part of efforts to fight insecurity in the state. The governor also said that anyone found with weapons like knives or sticks would be treated as an armed robber.
Anybody that you find with barber or dreadlock, arrest him, barb his hair, and find him.
In response, VDM posted a video online calling the order unfair and harmful. He said it could hurt the businesses of people who make or style dreadlocks. He explained that having dreadlock does not mean a person is irresponsible. In fact, he mentioned the biblical character, Samson, who had dreadlocks and was known for his strength. He also asked the governor to apologize for creating a stereotype that connects dreadlock with criminal behavior.
Where the governor of Minna, Niger State, he's talking about insecurity in his state, and then he went on to say that any youths or anybody you see with dreadlocks should be arrested and they should cut their hair. So basically, I guess he's trying to merge it up that dreadlocks is a sign of insecurity, maybe. You understand? But if we want to judge by the looks, even you will be governor, they're supposed to hold you barb your face, your beards. Because your beards alone shows that you don't even look responsible. Now, not from my own point, because I know a lot of elderly people where we say they see you carry beards, they'll say, come on, go and clear this thing. I don't see some.
Many people reacted to VDM's video online. Some agreed with him, saying the order was wrong. Others supported the governor, claiming that dreadlocks are often seen in a negative way, especially in the northern part of Nigeria. The debate continues to grow, with people discussing the right of individuals to choose their hairstyle and whether it has anything to do with security at all. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.